All right. Today I want to focus on what times I tend to win the most. I already know I can't trade the first 5 minutes. I want to see if it's better for me to just allow myself to place trades from 640 to 710. Giving myself a 30-minute window because I noticed that's when most of my trades win. Let's find out though. So you have a stack of highs. Lots of highs to target on nasdaq, and we just took out a pretty good low. ES went lower, took out an even lower low, and we have highs to target. Let's see what happens. Okay, we took out a high on NASDAQ. Did we take out the high? No, we didn't. Okay, we failed on ES. Alright. Do we have any more lows to target on the NASDAQ? This is where we go to the 4 hour and find out. So we have this low. We're obviously showing more bearish structure considering how far we've gone down. We have this gap. Took out the high. What is ES doing? ES is failing to make higher highs while NASDAQ isn't. I want NASDAQ to be the one to fail in this case. NASDAQ, ES swept some highs, NASDAQ didn't. Okay, but the NASDAQ swept the high. It is still failed. We have an SMT. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is not the best. Let's go in the 1 minute and see what we're doing. So now we're failing to sweep lows on NASDAQ. Did we sweep it on ES? Nope, same thing. We swept the highs on ES. Oh, this is NASDAQ. Did ES fail? ES didn't fail to sweep that low. 936 is low. The NASDAQ sweep 936 is low. Yeah, we went lower than 936. We now failed to sweep the high, while ES didn't. But did we hold this 5 minute SMT? Is my question. Yes, we did it. Let's see what happens. Don't really like this consolidation that we're in. And we swept the high. We did not hold the SMT. Yes, probably swept 5 minute highs now. Yes, we did. We failed to sweep that one. Nasdaq did not fail. Go back on a 30-second. Okay, we broke pretty quickly. Okay. Retrace. It's 9:53 now. 9:53. Our break even. Probably be that low. We already retraced. Would have got our entry. Take profit. Just today's low. I wouldn't put my money on that 4 hour low that I marked out. Let's see. I would have got stopped. I bet yes didn't do it though. Yep. I forgot to run down because of that. Damn. Wait, I keep forgetting that I'm placing two trades. Okay. You went lower. The Nasdaq went higher. 57. My gosh. 57. Okay. So Nasdaq went failed. But we never broke, we just wicked above, but still failed. Okay, we ended up going down. You just took out that low. Nasdaq took out some more lows, but did we fail to sweep 944? Did ES fail? Yeah, they both. 944 is all the way down here. But we didn't fail. Yes, but like 940. That's 945. That pairs with 945. I don't feel good, by the way, guys. I got a runny nose as soon as I got off of work. Like, it was bad. Like at work, I had a little bit of a runny nose, but I just thought it was cold like this morning, and it's not like severe or nothing. But right now, I feel like shit. Anyways, that was a loss on that day. So I'm thinking maybe I shouldn't enter on the pair that isn't failing to sweep the highs. Might be the move, guys. 23. Okay. So 24. No, excuse me. Many minutes. I want longs. Yeah, it's pretty nice. We already retraced. We already made like a far down move for this uptrend, so I am expecting retracement. So at least. This is how I usually do it. Where is it at? Let it out. I just want to see that 50.5. So I'm gonna just say to the side. And let's start. Okay. Did he get a solo? So how far down is he as? Same thing. SMTs. Okay. At 32, at 30. So I'm not like doing anything with that. Let's give it some time. Okay, we took out eyes. Yes, I'm not taking out any highs. Hit the gap, filled the wick, failed to take out a high. That actual high. 939, we got the break. Where did the break even be? Break even would be filling this gap. Retrace, I would have entered right here. Break even's that gap, and my one and only take profit would be here. And the time I entered, 940. Let's see. Okay, you got a sweat. Still failed to take highs on ES. Let's see. So we failed to take out the high. Ran down. We got another break, but I wouldn't have even caught that because we never got any kind of retracement. Like not even a wick up. Like not even a single bit of a wick after that happened. So yeah, I knew this would break even already. Okay, it's 946. What did ES do? ES keeps going lower. Let's see. What else? It's on the 4 hour. Can't really do anything. Nasdaq didn't or any. No, we didn't. I personally shorts. Yes, failed. Okay. Okay, we generated a high. It still did not do shit. We have an SMT. So we're gonna go on the 1 minute right now. I'm assuming Nasdaq is gonna sweep that high. I say yes, it wouldn't, but you gotta see. Did he just take it? Nope. Took out that high. Yes, didn't. That's an SMT on the 32nd. You got a break. We just made relatively equal highs. There was an SMT there. So there's an SMT here. You got a break and we invalidated any sort of entry. And then my break even. This wick list point right here. And my take profit would be today's low. Today's opens low. Just 3. And that would have been. Plus we also just filled that gap on the 5 minute, which I didn't realize. And what time was that entry? So exactly 10 o'clock. We did not have 10 o'clock news, so. Alright. Okay. When was that first trade? Hold up. Because I remember. Okay, I think that was before 9:40. Or no, it was exactly at 9:40, huh? Yeah. So once again, I want to remember that. Wait, no, it wasn't. Because I'm trying to remember the times where the trades are least probable. Because I'm gonna just simply stop taking them. We did it at 9:39. We retraced. Yeah, we retraced after 9:39, but I'm gonna make it where my model, like the break has to happen after 9:40 is what I'm thinking. But we're gonna keep back testing. We're gonna just save it in our head. I'll be right back. But Ooh, a mouth breather right now. Okay. Oh, we're looking for shorts. Oh, we're looking for shorts. Oh my damn. There's literally no reason to go up. You have perfect area to drop down and just log on these lows before continuing this uptrend. Oh my gosh. Just on the 4 hour. Oh my gosh. And we're relatively good at this high though. I take back my oh my gosh. Cause what? Relatively good at high. We are not looking for shorts yet. Yes, dude. So right now I'm not adding that, oh, it cannot form before 9:40 yet. I'm still looking. So we're 5 minutes in. The 5 minute rule is I'm sticking with that, like for sure. First 5 minutes are too volatile. Okay, we're about to get that break. I just want to see where ES failed. Okay, failed. Wait. I fucked myself up today. Just remember, like something I said, and like it was looking messed up, and like it was about. I'm like scared they're gonna spit in my food. I don't think we're gonna SMT. Yeah, no, SMT. We already dumped. We still have those lows. We're so far from those relatively equal hourly highs. So it's so tough. Oh, oh, like, sweat. Just didn't. 30 second. Oh, on chart. Okay, we broke. Break even is right here. I want us to get a retracement. We got the retracement right there. Stop loss there. Break even at that line. And we're just gonna have one take profit. Just gonna be this one. And I think I'm gonna just start doing only one take profit. But let me make sure that yes kept that SMT as well. Oh wait, no, we didn't. Okay, wait, no. I take back that whole thing. I didn't even check. ES still got the high. That invalidated this trade. Even if I did enter though, I would have got break even. I wouldn't have entered. Did ES take out the high? ES took out this high. 952. But Nasdaq's higher than 952, but we failed to take out that high. I think Nasdaq is gonna sweep it. Did Nasdaq take it? Nasdaq took it. Yes, didn't. Okay, we're looking for shorts one more time. It's 958. Hold on 1 minute. We'll sweep that. Yes. Yes. Did not fail. Okay. Did the nasdaq fail? Yes, is still much higher. But yes failed, the nasdaq didn't. And but yes, nasdaq isn't above that. Yes is. Okay. And we still failed to get the break. Did we get a break? Okay, it's 10:06. We did not get the break. It's looking unlikely that any trade would win right now. We did just take out lows. So did yes. It's looking bad. 59. 59 sweat. We're done. We are done. Yeah, we're done. I think we're done for the week, yeah. Because what's it called? There's, wait, no, fuck. Okay, I made a mistake. I would have traded this Friday. Wait, no. No, I wouldn't have actually. I'm sure. Forgot I didn't find anything Monday. So, anyways, Monday again. Bank holiday, not trading. Tuesday. I do not trade bank holidays, and I will never trade a bank holiday. I hate bank holidays. Absolutely hate them, but we do a good short draws on liquidity. On 4 hour NASDAQ lower medians. Okay, I don't know what that weird candle is, but on 1 minute. We're gonna keep holding. We're gonna keep waiting. Took out a low. Did it? Yes. No, it didn't. Okay, that's key right there. Now, did he just sweep that low? Yes, did go lower. So we do have an SMT here, because okay, we got a break. No retracement before break even though. So we're waiting. Just failed to take off highs. NASDAQ failed to take out lows. Did he make? I continue going up. And there. We can just break. Now. Shot down. I don't see nothing to be honest. I feel like this is not the same when I backtest. Because the real time just feels like I just feel way more in control. I low-key just never mind. Alright, did we sweep it? Did we sweep it? 4:30. Okay, sweat 4:30 on the edge. We didn't sweep it on the nasdaq, but we filled the sweep. Sweep 4. Yes, did not fail to sweep 4. A 30-second now. We haven't used at 7, so I'm gonna wait real quick. Got a good potential setup right here. I thought I did. We got a break. Retraced. I can't. It's too late. Like, I wasn't paying attention. Break it in. Oh, take profit. No, I'll probably like that low. I just exit. Like, I can't call it though. I can't say I would have taken that because I wasn't paying attention. All I know is there's an SMT with 944, 950, 45. Where'd it go? 944. We went way higher. Like, that would have been free. I need to see the time though, because that's important. Oh wait, no, I already know the time. I was just saying it. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna watch the chart, but from 940 to 710, that's when I'm taking trades. And I'm gonna see what price is doing. Mainly from 9:30. I'm gonna hop on, but like, so like 6 o'clock, because then this is PST time. I'm gonna say Eastern time. So 9 o'clock, I would hop on the chart, do my analysis and everything, be done by like 9:05, 9:10. Then I chill, just take some glances, and market opens, and I'm locked. I'm watching, I'm analyzing, seeing my levels get swept, getting an idea of what the market wants to do, finding a short-term move, a long-term move, ideal levels that I want to take out. Now a couple of trades could have failed to win, or like we already swept like a good amount of liquidity because market just open. That's when it's most volatile. Now at 9:40, I look at where we are, and from 9:40 to 7:10, I wait for this model to form. So one pair sweeps liquidity, one fails on the higher time frame, or we're maintaining that already happened, but then Nasdaq sweeps a low on the lower time frame, fails to sweep the higher time frame low. Get our break, get our trace bit from 9:40 to 7:10, and I would enter something similar. We sweep a strong draw, and then ES starts making higher highs, or nasdaq is making lower highs, right there, SMTs, I would take a short. You know what I'm saying? I would use, it's more probable at 940. I wouldn't wait till 950. But 940 is my time. That's when most of my trades win. When the break of structure happens after 940 hits. So that's gonna be my new plan. But let's keep going. Let me write this down first. I'm gonna write down a couple times. So 6. I'm doing it in my time. I'm gonna stop the backtesting here. From now on, I'm only gonna stream the backtesting portion for like, I did 30 minutes. I didn't really do 30 minutes. I'll probably do like 1 week worth of a backtesting session. I perform worse, I noticed, when I'm backtesting a lot more. And as much as I care about this channel, I can find ways to make it grow in other ways. I still want to get some backtesting in, but there's other ways I could be productive. I can make TikToks, I could make videos on mental stuff in trading. Trade recaps are fine. I'm actually about to do one for my TikTok. But let me read you guys what I wrote down after I finish writing it. Alright, this is what I wrote down. I wrote it right there. These are all my notes while backtesting. So I have like the profits written down. Oh no, profits written down. Just things on the side everywhere. Scrap this part up. Anyway, this is just from backtesting from like this week and last week. It's not a lot of tallies. So like this is wins, this is losses. Not a lot though, because I barely did like, despite the amount of time I'm spending, like 15 minutes sometimes on certain days, even 20. I think I spent 30 on one. Anyways, I wrote down 6 to 6:30, just calm analysis, no trade. Like calm analysis, I mean I do this already. So like you guys see me, I'll mark out my levels, get everything set, get an idea where I want price to go for the day. So I'll mark out relatively equal highs, like, oh, I want longs today. Whatever. And then I just chill. I'll hop on my phone and like 5 minutes before market opens, I'll be peeking more, but like I'm mostly on my phone or I'm talking to you guys and I'm doing my analysis, but I'm not like this. Because when I'm actually like doing my hard analysis and I'm in a trade, this is me like I'm like up here. So I'm doing that now. 6:30 to 6:40. Now I'm usually locked in by 6:25 where I'm just fully staring, but it's actually not really. I'm locked in, but I'm more like I'm not too into it because I have to keep myself away from the chart because I'm not placing trades yet. So now 6:30 to 6:40, it's gonna kind of be like my 6:25, but I'm gonna be more focused. So 6:25, I'm usually like more into it because like the 5 minutes before, I'm like, okay, I turn off my phone. I'm gonna still turn off my phone at 6:25 despite me not being allowed to trade for a longer period of time. But I'm all about efficiency. So if I'm losing most of my trades from 6:30 to 6:40, just don't place trades before 6:40. That's that. And I tend to find good trades still. Like I could find a continuation by 6:40, which I'm fine with. I prefer that because now I'm even more confident. We already ran so far down. Why wouldn't we continue? You know what I mean? So anyway, 6:30 to 6:40 analysis and break the structures before don't count if for trace two. But this analysis is more focused and locked in. So it's still analysis, but I'm even more locked. Like I'm actually like into it as if I'm about to place a trade, but I'm not. I'm not holding myself back. I'm like this. I'm into it. Now 6:40 to 7:10. This is my key time. This is when I tend to perform the best when I'm on the charts. If you look at all my trades last week, all the winning trades, I lost one on Monday and then I won another. But all those winning trades, they were after 6:40 and before 7:10. And this is it. So 6:40 to 7:10 is when the real thing starts, and now I'm allowed to execute. So now I'm doing my analysis, but oh, we just got a liquidity sweep and oh, but nasdaq didn't sweep liquidity, or nasdaq swept liquidity and ES didn't. And we still have these targets and we already ran so far in this direction, or we haven't done any really big move yet, but we got a clean setup. So still analysis, but now we got a break, fair value gap retracement, or inverse value gap, or fill the wick, which by fill the wick I mean some candles don't have a wick. If we have no other thing to retrace to, I go for the wick. So I basically say, oh, we're gonna make a wick and then continue the direction I want. My bad for doing that breathing in stuff. It's like impossible to breathe right now, but so we make the wick and then oh okay, I'm gonna execute. I hit the button and now I'm in the trade, but I'm still doing my analysis because we just gotta be prepared for anything. Oh, break even is sweat, removing stop loss to break even, just like that. And if I don't see anything, guess what? I just don't trade. But 90% of the time, I am seeing something. And if it's an eligible trading day, eligible time, I will execute if it's a perfect setup. But anyways, so I'm gonna hop off stream. I will catch y'all in the morning. And even on weekends, I'm gonna post more trading psychology videos because strategy videos, you'll find better people for that. Better people at explaining it. But mental, I feel like I have a good amount of experience, and yeah, there's some better people who will explain it. But I feel like I could explain it to a level where it's not like now, like it's not. I'm not mainstream yet. I will be, but I'm not yet. And like this is like a crucial time because what I'm teaching you guys, I'm actually practicing. I'm in the same position, maybe in a little better one, but you're in a similar position to me. So when I say these, you could feel more connected content and whatever I'm saying. But yeah, I truly believe I'm great. I truly believe I'm gonna be great. I'm just getting better and better, more and more consistent. It's just everything is going my way, and it's amazing to be honest. But I already knew it was gonna happen. But anyway, so I'm gonna hop off stream. Enjoy the evening. I'm gonna go to bed at 8. And yeah, gonna wrap this up, guys. I go to bed at 8 to wake up at 4. I'm waking up at 4:30 tomorrow though. Yeah, I'll catch y'all. I'll see y'all.